Well, mate, I do, and I'll show you what it is. Now, again, many ways to skin a cat. This is a kit I brought, quite expensive, but any other little piece of angle or flat bar will do. But I'll give you a look at this and I'll show you something else. And so, bam! Again with another flange wizard tool. This time the Wizard Burning Guides kit. So let's open up the gem. A bang! Wow, what do we got? Now, these are a different set of oxy wheels, and I'll quickly show you some on why they're so good. In here, I've got some magnetic blocks, and I'll show you what they're for. This here's a tape measure holder. It's got a magnet at the end, magnet underneath, as well as it's a little pocket level. I've got my radius bars, my radius. This is a tip standoff, okay, obviously, so you can sort of stand it off whatever you're doing. And here is a radius marker, which I'll just briefly show you. So, like I said before, a little piece of angle will do. Now, I'm doing this. I've got the magnetic blocks to keep it in place. I had a long cut yesterday. Obviously, you just run it along the side. Good height as well, this was, okay, for the size tip I've got in here, which was a 12. Now, these oxy wheels, again, obviously setting it straight, and you can use the angle as a guide to cut a nice straight line. Now, the good thing about these is that the wheels change, and I'll show you how. So let's say you had to cut on the edge of a plate for some whatever reason, and you want to sort of be able to cut it still straight. That's how they work, okay? They can do it like that. But a good feature about this as well is that, again, set it up right, and you can actually come out further and give you more purchase on the plate to run a straight line. Okay, so let's say you need to cut 10 mil off this angle. You can set it up and cut easily like that. Okay, I find these really handy. So again, you can turn around, take a wheel off, add this out, and now you've got your radius bar. Now, on this here, it's got a specialised little pin, to really get our degrees. This is a magnetic base, which has actually then got a centre pop point. Simple enough. Chuck it down there, sit him on there, and like I said, it's sort of, you can do your big radius cuts, small or big size, whatever you want to do. So that's the kit, mate, but for you, I don't know what you do, so, just another little handy tip, just a very simple one, is grab yourself a hose clamp, okay? Now, obviously a nice size that fits well, piece of angle, and without all the fancy other gear, same sort of thing, you can use it to do your straight line and, helping you to cut straight. Like I said, you can get a bigger piece of angle. This is just a bit small. I was using it for that. But like I said, any bit of angle will do. Nice and straight, simple. Hope that helps you, mate. Cheers for the question.